Yet again, the Brewtubers bottle opener opened up another beer. This is a Noel Saison. A friend at work, he does his own homebrew, and he gave me the bottle. So it poured out pretty nice and everything. But we're here to do a something with the spent grains, which I got right there. We're gonna make dog treats. So you're gonna watch me make it. It doesn't seem too hard, and we're gonna step through it. And I'm gonna see if I can get you up here so that we can go ahead and start on this. So what I need is 4 cups of spent grain, 2 cups of flour. Here's my spent grain. I got my 2 cups of flour right here. 1 cup of peanut butter. And my 2 eggs. So what I'm supposed to do with this is I gotta mix it all together. So let's go ahead and add the flour on top of the spent grain. And then I'm going to crack my eggs here. I don't know how the heck I'm going to mix this up, but once I get it all mixed, I'm supposed to go ahead and use my hands and put it onto the baking sheet, an ungreased baking sheet. Now I will post the ingredients and everything at the end of the video. Get all the peanut butter out that I can here. My dogs love peanut butter. Now, I don't know if there's anything else. I had a buddy of mine, he posted this recipe up for me on another, like a little Brewtubers thing. And we ended up, we're both on Brewtubers now, but it was called blackdogsaloon.net, and he posted it up there. So all I gotta do is just try to get this thing mixed together good enough. Dogs love this. I mean, it's got peanut butter in. Of course they're gonna love it. You know what? My hands aren't messy yet, so I might as well drink something. That was a big gulp for the first one. Wasn't expecting that Saison. Oh well. I don't know if it'd be easier to use a mixer to do this or not, but it looks like I'm doing it in hand. You know what might be better? Let's see if I got it. Let's see if this works. This is the first time I ever made it. My wife has made this before, but the reason why I'm doing it was because I was kind of contemplating on doing a bread, but that's not going to work. Look at that. It's, God dang. God dang, Larry, I lost half my freaking batter. Okay, well that didn't work there. I guess I should have tried this before. Okay, get that all out of there. Yep, I should have broke out the mixer. Okay, I definitely recommend a mixer. Well then, you bake it for 350 for 30 to 45 minutes. And then you have to remove it from the oven. And then you loosen from the sheet. And I think that's the time that we'll be cutting them into shapes because it gets kind of brittle. And I'm not sure if that would be the best way to do it, but that's what we're going to do. Looks like we're pretty close to being done here. I'll show you guys what we're going to do. Yeah, looks like we're done. That didn't take too long, did it? Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the batter. So we're going to go ahead and put it on this sheet here. Let's see if I can get that set up okay. And of course, I got peanut butter on my camera now. Gotta make sure this thing doesn't fall. It's gonna fall. There we go. Okay, using my hands here. Actually, I can get most of it out here. Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll get it down mostly here. And my wife recommended that we go ahead and get it as thin as possible because it takes forever for it to dry out. So looks like I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty. It's not sticking too bad. I guess the peanut butter will keep it from getting stuck. Kind of like a rolling pin. You almost need it. It's like dough. My boys are gonna love it. I talk about my boys all the time. This is pretty. Oh, there's one of them. He's hanging out here in the kitchen with me. Kind of crappy weather outside. Actually, that worked out pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to be that easy. Okay, so this is what we got. That's my finished product. And the oven's all set. It says to be at 350 for 30-45 minutes. Don't look at that. It's 425, but our oven is way off. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this sucker in here, and we will come back. We'll come back in about, what, 30-45 minutes? 30-45 minutes. So we'll see you later. I'll drink a couple beers and we'll be back. Okay, this is what we got now. It's getting pretty dry. Looks like it's getting dry on the edges. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to separate this, and then I'll probably cut it with a pizza cutter, and then I'll show you what I got at the end. Okay, so I separated them, and then I bent them over. It didn't cut as easy as I thought, but I was able to break it around pretty easy. So I just got like little pieces here, and just like kind of like that. It's still a little bit moist, so in the directions it says to dry them out. I'll put it in for another couple hours. And just to let you know how good they are, I got my boys here, and I got Brady. Brady gets his, and then LG gets his. So I'm pretty sure that they like it pretty good. Don't you guys? So I'm going to put this guy back in for another couple hours, or maybe another hour, and then I'll check it. Okay. Okay, I've got like 8 minutes left on my second hour, and these guys are pretty dry. So I consider this a success, and my boys are going to be enjoying this. I think I have enough in the fridge. I could make another batch, but I gotta get a couple eggs. So that will be for a later day. And Lammer22 signing off, and hope you guys and your dogs enjoy these treats. Have a good day.